So everybody, welcome! ACOnetwork again, here with all of you with another video tutorial. I know I am not recording every single week. I need to say sorry about that. These very hot days, it is not going good to me, and of course it is summer. I have way more stuff around the house, etc. to do. So, sorry about this. I can record when I can. Okay, leave that. Second thing is, today I am talking about Mozilla Firefox, which you can see it behind me, and about bookmarks. So I will tell you what is bookmark, how to add bookmarks, bookmark toolbar, etc. Many more stuff. But before I tell you this stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Click bell icon to get notified about new videos. Like or dislike video, depending if you like it or not, of course. And share with others so others can learn also. And let's start! First, I need to answer the question, what actually is bookmark? With the easiest words is, bookmark is a shortcut to some website. Just like you have shortcuts to your favorite programs on desktop or taskbar, in here bookmark is shortcut to some website that you want to access it quickly by just clicking on it, let's say. Same if I go into new tab, I have plenty of these shortcuts to websites also. And let's say I am on google.com and I want to add this website as shortcuts to my bookmarks collection, let's say. I will show you, but before I tell you this, let me show you how to show hidden bookmarks toolbar, which is right below this URL tab. To show it, we can do it on two different ways. First way is just to press with the right mouse button, click somewhere here on the left side of this URL area, just here, empty, and then click Bookmarks Toolbar. If you want to remove it, you can do it on the same way. Just right mouse button click and click Bookmarks Toolbar, and that's it. Second way how to show Bookmarks Toolbar is by pressing this icon, this button of, let's say, books over here. Then click Bookmarks, click Bookmarks Tools, and then View Bookmark Tool. And that is completely the same. If you want to remove it the same way, just go the same way that you entered this, that I showed you how to show the Bookmarks tool. First way, let's say google.com, I want to bookmark it, so I can access it whenever I want. There are basically two ways. One way is way quicker, which is just by pressing this area on the left side of the URL. As you see, when I go with the mouse over the area, it goes grayish. And then just left mouse button click on it and hold it, and while holding it, just move it to your position in your bookmarks toolbar, let's say. Another way, which is a little bit longer, is that here on the end you have start. I will use this website, which is my second YouTube channel, ACOnetWork. If you want to look at it, just visit it. And over here we have this star-like button, which is bookmark this page, or shortcut to on your computer, on your keyboard is Ctrl and D, or Ctrl plus D. So even if you click on it or click on the keyboard whatsoever, it shows this window. Basically, bookmark is already created now, but you can edit the stuff like the name. So you can add it, you can delete it, you can insert some other text, etc. Here we have folder, which is where the bookmark is saved. Currently you have Bookmark toolbar, which is this toolbar right here, Bookmark menu, and other bookmarks. So if I click Bookmark toolbar, as you see, it is here. But under, let's say, other bookmarks, you cannot see it in this quick Bookmark toolbar. You need to click on this button over here. But you know what, I will just click other bookmarks, just to show you some another thing. But there is also choose, but about this, you can also define more in depth, let's say create a folder where several bookmarks can reside. But about this I will tell you a little bit later. Name is created, folder is created, tags if you want to tag your bookmark with specific tags, so if anytime in future you have a lot of bookmarks, you can also search it by name or even by tags. And as you see here, separate tags with comma, and that's it. So I will just click done. So if we go back over here, click on this icon, go to bookmarks and click bookmarking tools, we have three possibilities. I already told you about Bookmarks toolbar, how to show it or hide it over here, but I also have add bookmarks menu in toolbar, which shows you this button over here, and you can access the bookmarks right here. Second is, if I go under bookmarks tools again, we go to view bookmarks sidebar, which is this sidebar over here. And the third element that I need to talk to you about is when you go to this button again, go to bookmarks and show all bookmarks, you get this big window. So there is a difference between all these three possibilities. This has the most possibilities, so with import export, so if you want to back up your bookmarks, you can do it from here, you can organize it and so on. You have a little bit less stuff that you can do with it, but you can still move it around, you can delete it, edit it and so on. Also here, if I click on it, bookmarks toolbar, you see I can click, hold, move it to a different position. I can go to other bookmark folders, etc. Okay, next is let's edit the bookmark. So let's say you already added the bookmark, which is, let's say, this ACONET play. So when you go over this star, you see edit this bookmark, but it is not anymore bookmark this page. That is why, because this webpage, current webpage, is already bookmarked. So if I click on this star, this blue star, it automatically shows you basically the same window it showed you before. So over here you can edit the text. Let's say I can just delete all this and leave it ACONET play. I can leave it the folder, or I change it to bookmarks toolbar, whatever I want. I can add tags if I want, but I won't, and click done. And here it is. I showed you how to edit specific bookmark when you are on specific web page, but you can also edit the bookmarks from any of these three elements that I showed you before. Over this, show your bookmarks, show all bookmarks on this window, or view bookmarks sidebar. You can edit within all three elements of this web browser. You can also edit if you have it in quick access toolbar or bookmarks toolbar. You can edit by right mouse button, click on it and click properties. And here it is. Edit your data. Name, location, tags, keywords. When you're done, click save. Okay, that is all nice and tidy. But let's say you will have probably a lot of bookmarks, and maybe even only over here in bookmarks toolbar. it would be nice to have it a little bit better sorted. So you can do it by making a folder. So over here, let's add another bookmark just to show you a few things. So here I have ACOnetwork, my main YouTube channel where you are watching this video. I can just go over here, press, select the Bookmarks toolbar, and done. I have. So Google, ACOnetplay, ACOnetwork, YouTube. So let's add a folder. So let's say YouTube channels is going to one folder, and that's it. You can do it by right mouse button, click somewhere empty over here, in the Bookmarks toolbar of course, and just click new folder. Name the new folder, let's say YouTube channels. I don't know if I spelled correctly, sorry guys. Click add, and here it is. Now you can just click, hold left mouse button click from the bookmark you want to move, and just drop it when the folder is bluish or selected. And that's it. It is over here. Same goes for the second. And isn't that already nicer? So YouTube channels, click on the website, and you are directly on the website. Okay, next thing is to add separators. So separators is a little bit of line between the bookmarks, so you can separate specific areas of bookmarks. So if I go over here, in right mouse button click somewhere inside the folder, I can click new separator, which is this not so good looking line over here on the top. If you click on it and hold it, you can move it. So let's say here, and as you see, both YouTube channels are separated, basically with one line. You can add two lines if you want. Let's say new separator. You hear two lines, and if you move, let's say between, you are between those two lines, etc, etc, etc. Oh, one another thing. If you know the website by URL address directly, you can create bookmark directly from the bookmark toolbar also. Just by right mouse button click, somewhere empty, and new bookmark. And as you see here, let's say Amazon, maybe location, HTTP. I wrote 3 T's. Let's say www.amazon.com. Tags, keyword, if you want to add it, otherwise don't, then just click add, and here it is. But as you see, bookmark icon is blank. We need to click on the bookmark, so the web browser would take the icon logo of the website, so the web browser can show you. And now you can also move it, do with it whatever you want. You can also delete specific bookmark, let's say getting started. Right mouse button click on it and click delete. But remember, if you delete it, you cannot get it back until you bookmark it again. Let's go into the Bookmarks manager over here. Bookmark manager is a little bit scary maybe around here, but don't worry. If I go to Bookmarks toolbar, as you see, I have Google, Amazon, and YouTube channels, which is folder. If you click on the arrow key on the left side of Bookmarks toolbar, an icon, I can expand, so I can go directly into YouTube channel. Here I can also delete the specific element like bookmark, like the separator, just by right mouse button click on it and click delete. You can also copy bookmark, let's say copy, go to bookmark toolbar and paste it here. And that is duplicate. I do not need duplicates. How to change it? I can just delete it, because I just copy it through. You can also cut. You see, cut. If you cut it, go to, let's say, this folder and paste it, it will go here, but it is not over here anymore. So if you click copy, you are copying to make duplicate. If you are cutting, you are basically moving it to another position. You can also move between the folders by clicking and holding the specific bookmark and just dragging it into a folder you want, let's say Bookmarks toolbar. So there is quite a bit of elements that you can see over here. You can also back up your bookmarks or restore it from previous point if you need to. I will not go deeper into this today. If you want, I can make another video about the backupping, etc. If you want, type everything below this video in the description. You can also, if you have some bookmarks already saved from another computer, you can import it or export it or to HTML. Also import data from another browser. If you have several web browsers, you can select which web browser you want and you can just click next, select what you want to import and then just click next, and all the stuff is imported that you select from other web browser. That is all up to you. But in my case, I will not be using this, so I will just click cancel. Another thing is that all this stuff, moving, deleting, editing, cutting, pasting, etc., you can do here also, like moving, like cut, copy, delete, properties to edit the bookmark itself. You can also do this by in sidebar, and that's it. Yep, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. It was maybe interesting. Tell me everything below this video in the description. Basically, I covered all these basics about the shortcuts, bookmarks. You know, if you want me to create for maybe Google Chrome or Opera web browser this kind of tutorial, just tell me down below this video in the description. I mean in the comments, not description, comments! You cannot type in the description, damn it, Asian. Yeah! Okay. So, if you have any questions, did not understood something, or just say hi, whatsoever, you can type everything below this video in the comment section. Of course, comment and description. And until next time, have a blast, people. See ya. Bye bye.